Okay, I'm gonna show you how to twist a monkey now. Here we go. 2, 3, like 3.5 pumps. Okay, 3.5 pumps. Alright, tie it. Alright, so I've got about a hand and a little bit extra. Hand and 2 or 3 more fingers. So I'm going to take this part, nozzle, I'm going to do a pedal twist. Okay, and I just locked the nozzle in through so it doesn't come undone. I'm going to twist it. Okay, squeeze. Alright, so this is for the ear, okay? And then squeeze, forehead, squeeze, ear. Alright, so I've got all of these in my hand, and I'm going to twist one ear, okay? Twist the second ear. Now, looks like this. Okay, and this is the cool part. You take your hand, you squeeze it, and then these 3 bubbles that we just twisted along the top, we're going to twist all the way around. Okay, and that's monkey head. Okay, now we've got less than that much left, less than a hand. So we do a neck, okay? I'm going to show you how to do monkey paws or poodle legs up front. We might not have enough air in this one. So you do one front leg, and then you do a ball about the same size as an ear, okay? And then you do another matching leg, okay? Look at how cute it is. Oh, he's so cute and tiny. We'll do body. And we'll do 2 back legs. Alright. We've got this cute little nice long tail. And here's your little monkey. Monkey, monkey.